Your C drive is filling up right now. Windows already knows. It does nothing about it. There's a built-in tool made to stop this, and it's switched off by default on every Windows 11 PC. 4 minutes from now, it'll be running for you automatically. Open Start. Click Settings. Select System. Then click Storage. Done. That's your live storage breakdown.
Scroll down and click Storage Sense. See this toggle at the top? If it says Off, turn it on now. That's your master switch. Nothing below this works until it's on.
Click the drop-down under Run Storage Sense. You get 4 options. Every day. Skip it. Windows doesn't generate enough daily junk to justify that. Every week. Pick this if your PC is your workhorse. Daily installs, daily use. Every month. The right call for most people. Casual browsing, occasional downloads. During low free disk space only. This is the default, and it's reactive. It waits until your drive is already nearly full. Set it to every month. Every week if you're a heavy user. Next setting. Delete files in your recycle bin after a set number of days. Your options? Never, 1 day, 14 days, 30 days, or 60 days. Set this to 30 days. If you haven't needed a deleted file in a month, you won't. Done. Your recycle bin now clears itself. This next setting catches people off guard. Your Downloads folder. Unlike the recycle bin, these files aren't moved anywhere first. If Storage Sense deletes them, they're gone. No second chance. Leave this one on Never. Clear your Downloads folder manually. If you want automation here anyway, 60 days minimum, never shorter. One more button at the bottom. Run Storage Sense now. Click it if your drive is already cluttered. It runs an immediate cleanup using every rule you just set. Done. That's your manual override whenever you need it. Storage Sense is now on, scheduled monthly, clearing your recycle bin after 30 days, and leaving your Downloads folder alone. Windows will maintain itself from here. No manual cleanup required. Storage Sense only clears what it's told to. There's still hidden junk it never touches. Temp files, prefetch data, months of software cache. That's the next video.